Look at this. 1, 2, 3. One there. Flying away. 2 sitting. 1 right there. And 1 right there. Unbelievable. Can't see this very well, but there's one disc-shaped object that just flew over there. And I'm standing right across the street from 2 more. There's 1 right there and 1 right there. Now I'm going to stand beside a pole to give perspective. See this thing? It's about, I don't know, 200 feet off the ground. Maybe between that and 3. Between 200 and 300 feet. Now over there is another one. There's the road. There's a field. Now, there it is, I think, right there. Look. It's just hovering there in the field, right there. Where did it go? There. See if I can zoom in on it. It keeps dimming its lights, so see right there. So you can barely see it. I don't have my tripod, so this is a little bit shaky. But you can see how slowly it moves. It's just right there, see? Now it's gone just a tiny, tiny ways. In a few minutes you can see just how slow it's moving. There's a pole. There's a little bit of cloud cover back there, so it's hard to see it. Now it's gone. Now there's 1 right there. Right there. You can see how low it is to the ground. That's not light. That down there is street level. The little flashing red light to the bottom right. This is in the sky. Whatever that is just hovering there. Try and put this down on something level. You can see the telephone wire there. That thing is just sitting there. And there's another one that just sort of flashed off to the left of that. So that gives you some idea, if you can see the telephone wires there, the power lines or whatever it is, that just how low that is. There's the sidewalk, there's the field, and the cars down here, road level behind the field, well, to the right of the field. Now it just sort of disappeared a bit there, see? Now a hydro pole, wires up there. And now, I guess it's going to move away. It's really close. It's hard to tell through this camera. Things look farther than there, but there you go. See the hydro wire or something there. It's not a light, just for the record either, because it has moved. See? All next to the pole. They just sort of, one flashing one went by really, really low altitude. And then I looked over, see the car there? Right there. And there's that one again. Very low to the ground. You can see no pole, no nothing. It's not a light. Again, lights don't move or fly off. And this is one of the fields that's notorious for this type of activity. I'm not sure why, but Friday night, well, early in the morning, Saturday early in the morning, 3 a.m., 2 a.m., and Sunday from when it gets dark on. This thing is just full of these things. And they'll have one flashing white light, sometimes one flashing red light, and they're a couple of feet off the ground, which is illegal. The minimum altitude law is 500 feet from the highest object in the area. So sitting there like that is illegal to begin with. And the lighting, if it was some kind of traditional craft, they have to have collision lighting, a whole bunch of different things. So this, whatever it is not traditional, at least. And it's been hovering there for quite a while. And obviously you can see there are no blades, there's no noise. So it's not a helicopter, and it's definitely not a star sitting down like that. It's not a horizon shot. It's not far enough away. Like I said, here I am standing right here with my foot. So probably what? I don't know, 800 yards. Not even. Yeah, about 800 yards, I guess. It's moved over a little bit to the right there, see? Drifted just slightly. And it looks like it's off. Nope, there we go. Now, it's also, if you see the hydro wires or whatever they are there, again, I think it's hydro, they were down, almost level with it, and now it's up, above it. Oh, it just moved a little bit to the left.